Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, that's nice. It's a nice country.
Really? Do you know about my country?
I know a bit. I don't know much. Don't know much at all.
And what do you know about Bangladesh?
Well, I know about the belly dance.
Belly dance?
Belly dance.
Okay.
I know about that. That's about it. That's all. Maybe the food. The food a little bit.
Yeah, in Bengal, food are very spicy. You know that?
Yeah, I like it.
I have some question. I will ask you some question. You can reply my
Go.
answer.
Yeah, go. I listen.
What's your daily routine?
My daily routine, well, I woke up, I take a tea usually. Now, before it was coffee. Yeah, I drink tea. Sometimes it's coffee. Uh, then I go take a shower, brush my teeth, brush my hair, and take care of the kids. I don't know. What's your routine daily?
That's it, your full day routine. It's a very short.
Well, I don't really know what you want to know exactly about it.
Do you know I'm learning English? That's why I'm asking you question.
Okay.
My country is learning English is very difficult because of we can't find good partner in this region, and you are native English speaker, so it's very good for me for improve my English and fluency.
Yeah, the practice. Yeah, that's cool. No problem. Here.
What do you do
It
in
was
your
always like
weekend?
oh, many things. Sometimes I go to the downtown with my kids. Sometimes I go make some activity with the kids on the river. There's so many things to do.
What are your goal for next 5 years?
My goal for the next 5 years.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good question, though. Well, do the best I can, and hopefully a great life for my children, for my kids. What about you?
Yeah, I
What
want to
about
be
you?
a good English speaker, and I want to teach in my country so many people in free of cost. It's my goal. That's why I'm learning English.
That's good. That's great, though. That's smart. It's smart.
Yeah, thank you. And what do you
Go ahead.
stay healthy and active?
How do I stay healthy and active? Well, by cleaning a lot. You know, cleaning is a sport.
Yeah.
Trust me, it's not a joke. Cleaning is a sport. I guess. Oh, salut, le troisième œil. I guess by fate also. Ouais, parti. By fate also.
And what about food?
Oh yeah, but it's not easy to eat well when we used to something bad, you know?
Yeah, nowadays we are very go to the junk food. I'm right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, junk food. Junk food for real though. And it's easy access.
If you were the leader of your country, what would you do first? Yeah, I know it's a
I don't know. I don't. No, I can't say that here. No, but can we skip that one, please?
okay, no problem. What is your biggest dream and why?
Peace in the world, because I think the world is a paradise, and everyone should be happy on it. Easy like that.
Now, can you tell me about your home city?
My home city. Oh, it's Montreal. It's Montreal. It's a big city. It's a magnificent city. Multi people in there, multinational people live around there. I love Montreal. So that's what it is. You can pass another question if you want.
Okay. If anyone want to visit your country, what you recommend? Which place should he visit it?
In my country, I would recommend,
Yeah.
for real, I don't know. It depends. If the people wants to see snow, it depends what the people wants to see.
You recommend.
It depends what he wants
your
to.
point of view.
Okay. Well, I would recommend to go in Montreal City. Yeah.
And what is the reason? Why?
Yeah, that. Well, because I'm born there. Because I think it's the best city in Quebec. Because I'm born there. I was raised in there, and
Do you
it's a
like
nice
traveling?
city.
Do you like traveling?
Well, not no more. I'm too old for traveling.
Really?
I think I'm too old for the traveling. Yeah, too old for that.
So you are a native English speaker. Can you give me some tips? How can I improve my English and what should I do?
Well, you're doing pretty well just by doing what you're doing right now.
I know, but I have so many mistakes. How can remove my mistake? And sometimes I am nervous and shy. What?
First of all, we're not removing your mistake. We never remove the mistake we made. We not remove them. We fix them.
Yeah, you are right, absolutely right. And thank you for your opinion. In my country, so many people are not appreciate to learn English. If you make a mistake, so many people laughing at you. So it's a very, very bad thing for me.
Yeah, but when you learn to learn things, you have to make mistakes. If you don't make mistakes, you don't learn.
Yeah, I know that, but people thought different.
Let them laugh. Let them laugh. Well, by the time they're laughing, they're not learning.
Yeah, right. Nowadays,
It's true.
practicing here also. So many I make friend, so they help me.
Also,
You also my friend now.
well, you're doing pretty well. You're doing pretty well.
Thank you for appreciate me. Um, I hope we meet again for practicing my English. If you want, I already follow you.
Pleasure. Yeah. I follow you too already.
How many kids do you have?
I have 3 kids.
Who is the younger?
Yep. You have no kids? Do you have any kids?
No, I'm just married a few months ago.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. That's cool.
Only 4 months, but I'm planning in next
A
1 years later maybe.
baby?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool.
What?
And what you do in life? Your wife? What you do in life?
Still now, she is a student.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. We all need to learn.
What do you think about marriage? Which age should get married to boy or girls? What is the perfect time?
When you're ready.
I'm married.
When you're ready. When your heart say yes, I'm gonna go get married. You better get married. Cause see, my heart didn't say that yet, so I'm not ready yet. So I'm not getting married. Doesn't have age, and I'm old. Like, I mean, some of us don't need to get married. Also, like it's not something that everybody need. Everybody doesn't have the same needed. Yeah, and that's okay like that. So, which age? I don't think it's an age. I think it's a question of when you're ready or not.
I think when I want to marry, feel of heart. You know very well when you should marry.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. You should know. You should know when you say, okay, now I want to get married. I want to get fixed. And salut bébé ninja, ça va bien?
What's your profession? What do you do for a living? I know it's a personal question.
It's okay. I'm a mom, full house.
You're a full housewife.
More not wife, no, full house mom.
Oh, okay.
I got no husband.
My bad.
No husband.
You're single mother?
Oh, that's okay. I'm a single mother. Je suis contente, bébé ninja. C'est un bout.
You enjoy your life or you missing your husband?
Well, I never had a husband, so.
Oh, you never had. You only living. Living is a good or husband? What is your opinion?
What happened, happened. Unless it's for the best, what happened, happened. After some point,
You doing live every day?
well, almost, yeah.
You are a host, right?
Yeah.
That's great. You earn from Bego. It's good for you. But I'm only using this application for improve my English. It's very helpful for me because I meet so many friends like you. They are good in English. They also give me some tips and I motivate with them. It's good for me.
That's cool.
And
Well, it's good
sometimes,
for both of us.
yeah, and
You're nice people. Yeah, you're nice to talk to.
yeah.
It's nice to talk to you.
Okay, now I have to go for my
Okay.
work. I'm really
Thank
sorry
you,
for
eh?
that.
Thank you.
I hope we meet again.
Me too. Take care.
I hope you remember me, okay? If I knock you, you
Yes.
will come.
Yes, I will. I will.